Hey everybody, I'm so excited to have you here today. Welcome back to my channel. It's always a pleasure to connect with you all. Today we're diving into a topic I know you're all interested in, how to make her see you as a high-value man. This isn't just about romantic relationships, it's about how you present yourself in all aspects of life. Now, before you go thinking this is about bragging or showing off, it's not. It's about being genuine and authentic. It's about subtle things that make a big difference. Small acts of kindness, a genuine smile, and being there for others when they need you. We've all met someone who just oozes that it factor, right? That charisma that draws people in. They walk into a room and heads turn. It's like they have a magnetic presence. It's not about looks, it's about something deeper. It's about the way they make others feel valued and understood. It's about confidence, kindness, and a whole lot of heart. When you genuinely care about others, it shows. So if you're ready to turn heads and win hearts, stick around because I'm about to share some secrets to becoming that high-value man you know you can be. We'll talk about building self-confidence, showing empathy, and being the best version of yourself. First, let's talk about self-improvement. Whether it's reading books, learning new skills, or practicing mindfulness, investing in yourself is key. Next, empathy. Being able to understand and share the feelings of others is incredibly powerful. It builds trust and deepens connections. Finally, always strive to be the best version of yourself. Set goals, work hard, and celebrate your achievements. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. So let's get started on this journey together. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable tips to elevate your value and make a lasting impression. Stay tuned. 1. Confidence is key. All right, let's talk confidence. It's that magical quality that can transform your life in ways you never imagined. Confidence isn't just about walking into a room and thinking you're better than everyone else. It's about walking into a room and not having to compare yourself to anyone at all. It's like your own personal theme song playing in the background wherever you go. Imagine having a soundtrack that boosts your mood and makes you feel unstoppable. That's what confidence does for you. It gives you that extra pep in your step, that unshakable belief that you can handle whatever comes your way. But here's the thing, you don't need a marching band to announce it. True confidence is quiet. It's not about being the loudest person in the room or constantly seeking attention. It's about having a calm assurance in your abilities and knowing that you don't need to prove anything to anyone. It's about believing in yourself, knowing your worth, and not needing constant validation. When you truly believe in yourself, you don't need others to tell you that you're good enough. You already know it. This self-assurance allows you to take risks, pursue your dreams, and live life on your own terms. Think George Clooney. He doesn't need to announce he's George Clooney, right? His confidence is evident in the way he carries himself, the way he speaks, and the way he interacts with others. He exudes a quiet confidence that draws people in and makes them want to be around him. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak with purpose. These simple actions can make a world of difference in how others perceive you and, more importantly, how you perceive yourself. When you stand tall, you project confidence. When you make eye contact, you show that you're engaged and present. And when you speak with purpose, you demonstrate that you believe in what you're saying. And remember, a genuine smile can light up a room. A smile is one of the most powerful tools you have. It can break the ice, ease tension, and create a positive atmosphere. When you smile genuinely, it shows that you're approachable and confident in who you are. Confidence is also about being comfortable in your own skin. It's about accepting yourself, flaws and all, and not trying to be someone you're not. When you're comfortable with who you are, you don't feel the need to put on a facade or pretend to be perfect. You can just be yourself, and that's incredibly liberating. Don't be afraid to be yourself, quirks and all. Your unique qualities are what make you special. Embrace them, and don't be afraid to let them shine. When you embrace your quirks, you show that you're confident in who you are, and that confidence is contagious. Because when you're comfortable with who you are, it shows. People can sense when someone is genuine and self-assured. They are naturally drawn to that kind of energy. When you are comfortable in your own skin, you radiate a positive vibe that attracts others to you. And that, my friends, is incredibly attractive. Confidence is magnetic. It draws people in and makes them want to be around you. So believe in yourself, embrace your uniqueness, and let your confidence shine. You'll be amazed at the doors it opens and the opportunities it brings your way. 2. Be her favorite listener. You know what's more attractive than a guy who can talk about himself for hours? It's a guy who can genuinely listen. In a world where everyone is eager to share their own stories and experiences, being the person who takes the time to truly listen can set you apart. It's not just about hearing the words she says, but understanding the emotions and thoughts behind them. A guy who actually listens. This means giving her your full attention, showing that you care about what she has to say. It's about being present in the moment, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally as well. When you listen, you show her that her words matter to you. And I mean really listens. Put down the phone, make eye contact, and be present in the moment. These small actions can make a big difference. They show that you're not distracted and that you're fully engaged in the conversation. It's about creating a connection, one that goes beyond just words. Ask questions, be engaged, and show her that you're genuinely interested in what she has to say. This means not just waiting for your turn to speak, but actively participating in the conversation. Show her that you're curious about her thoughts and feelings. This can lead to deeper, more meaningful conversations. Remember, everyone has a story to tell. Each person you meet has a unique perspective and experiences that have shaped who they are. By listening, you not only learn about her, but you also show that you respect and value her individuality. This can create a strong bond and build trust. And when you take the time to truly listen, you're showing her that you value her thoughts and opinions. This can make her feel appreciated and understood. It's a powerful way to show that you care. Empathy and understanding are key components of any strong relationship. Plus, being a good listener is a two-way street. When you listen, you also open the door for her to listen to you. It creates a balanced dynamic where both parties feel heard and valued. This mutual respect can strengthen your connection and lead to a more fulfilling relationship. You might just learn something new or gain a fresh perspective. Listening can be a source of growth and learning. It allows you to see the world through her eyes and understand her better. So next time you're in a conversation, remember to be her favorite listener. It could make all the difference. 3. Passion projects. Let's talk about passion. What gets you excited? What are you genuinely interested in? Having a purpose and being passionate about something shows that you're not just going through the motions. It gives you something to talk about, something to share. It could be anything from photography to volunteering to building birdhouses. The point is, find something you love and pursue it with gusto. Passion is contagious. When you're excited about something, it rubs off on others. And that, my friends, is incredibly attractive. 4. Kindness is king. This one should go without saying, but being respectful and kind is essential. And I don't just mean to her, but to everyone. Hold doors open, say please and thank you, and treat everyone with courtesy and respect. Being a good person isn't about grand gestures. It's about the little things. It's about being considerate of others and treating everyone with dignity. Because at the end of the day, wouldn't you rather be known as the nice guy? 5. Dress to impress yourself. Okay, let's talk about appearances. Now, I'm not saying you need to look like you just stepped out of a magazine, but taking care of your appearance shows that you respect yourself. Find a style that you feel confident and comfortable in. Pay attention to the details, like clean clothes, a good haircut, and maybe even a spritz of cologne. And remember, good hygiene is a must. Brush your teeth, shower regularly, and for goodness sake, trim those fingernails. 6. Be the reliable guy. You know what's incredibly attractive? Reliability. Being the guy who does what he says he's going to do. If you make a promise, keep it. If you say you're going to call, call. Don't be flaky, don't be wishy-washy, just be reliable. Being reliable shows that you're trustworthy and that you value her time. It shows that you're someone she can count on. And in a world full of maybes, be her guarantee. 7. Don't forget to laugh. Life is too short to be serious all the time, right? Don't be afraid to be silly, to make her laugh, and to not take yourself too seriously. A good sense of humor goes a long way. It shows that you're confident enough to laugh at yourself and that you don't take life too seriously. Plus, laughter is contagious. When you're having fun and enjoying yourself, it rubs off on others. And that, my friends, is attractive. So go ahead, tell a joke, be playful, and don't forget to laugh. So there you have it, folks. Remember, being a high-value man isn't about bragging or showing off. It's about being the best version of yourself. It's about confidence, kindness, passion, and a whole lot of heart. So go out there and be the amazing man you know you can be. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more tips on relationships, life, and everything in between. See you next time.